Hello folks, Dave Schulke here with the Twin Plumbers. Actually here underneath our training facility, and wanted to answer the question, what's causing that banging sound in my house? If you're getting this, it's the copper plumbing or your piping. When you shut off the sprinklers or your fixtures, it actually causes a water hammer hitting up against the structure. So what you want to do is get yourself some strapping. This is a real common piece right here. All you need to do is take it, put it over the pipe, and go ahead and get yourself some screws to anchor it to the understructure of the home. And that's going to go ahead and fasten that pipe properly. What I like to do is, I like using some insulation like this. The reason why I like using this is because it not only straps properly, but it will stop the sound from transferring through the structure of the wood when you're running the water. This is a good way to really stop and prevent that noise to your home. So anyhow, just wanted to give you some insight on what to do when you've got those banging pipes underneath your house when you shut your water off or your sprinklers kick off. As always, folks, thanks for watching.